Hello Patrick people, and welcome back. I'm Stephanie, one of the BMW geniuses here at Patrick BMW in Schaumburg. So today we're going to discuss the all-new reinvented comfort access system on your iDrive 7.0 as featured in this 2019 X7. So in order to get started, all you need to do is make sure you have the key on your person and you're good to go. Now if you guys are familiar with the previous generation of comfort access, all you had to do was either touch the little grooves on the door handle to lock it or touch the back of the handle to unlock it. Well, now you don't even need to do that. The vehicle is going to unlock and lock itself based on how close or far away you are from the vehicle. So all you have to do is make sure you have the key on your person, and the vehicle will lock or unlock based on how close or far away you are from the vehicle. So say for instance you shut off the vehicle, you're done with your journey, all you have to do is close the door and start walking away. And once you're about 6.5 feet from the vehicle will lock itself for you. So you don't need to, push the key fob, you don't need to touch the door handle, the vehicle's got it covered for you. Now say you're coming back to the vehicle, there's 2 steps for the vehicle to unlock itself. So when you're about 10 feet away from the vehicle, your welcome lights will come on and you'll see the little light carpet on the ground illuminate. It's just kind of a way of your X7 saying, hey, welcome back to your X7. And now once you get about 5 feet away from your vehicle, that's when your vehicle will finally unlock. Now if you'd like to, let's go outside and demonstrate. Alright guys, so I got the key on my person. We're just going to shut off the X7. We're going to step outside, make sure there's no cars coming our way. As you can see, the vehicle is still unlocked. I still have the key on my person. We're just going to walk away, walking away. Oh, there we go. And it locked. Easy as that. So now say you want to go back to your vehicle, start a new adventure. All you're going to do is approach the X7 and it unlocked all on its own. Now if you'd like to customize how the comfort access will work, all you have to do is go to your car menu. You're going to go to settings, select doors/access, and select comfort access. So now you can feel free to turn on or off this feature. If you don't want to have it unlock when you're approaching, or you don't want to lock it while you're walking away, it's totally up to you. Feel free to customize it however you guys would like. Alright Patrick people, thank you so much for watching. Again, I am Stephanie from Patrick BMW. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, Patrick people.